Okay guys, that's the new project. So altogether the car is fine except the front bumper, the wing, and I find out it's just that arm here should be straight. It's bent and it's quite clear here, so I don't know how it's didn't broke, but it's just bent, that's all. And I bought the car for 250 from Copart. With the fees and the deliveries, the car jumped to 600. And the car has been delivered today. The auction was yesterday, and on the next day, amazing delivery company, they bring it to me. I go to the car to one of the local yards, and I found the bumper and the wing which are there, plus that arm which is bent. The only thing which they don't have is the light. So I'll try to film some bit. Obviously there is no much for filming on the moment. I'll change that arm, nothing complicated. There's plenty of videos there, and yeah, it's not necessary really to film it. And I'll try to prepare the car for 24 hours. Let's see what we can do. 24 hours is not a lot, and you know, like I said, it has been delivered on the morning. I pick up the stuff, and hopefully until tomorrow evening the car will be completely ready. So let's find out. Hello guys, let me show you something. So the water is out again. Another check for the head gasket. No problem with the head gasket. Everything been changed. And now I'm suspicious in the camshaft. So hopefully today I'll remove the cover and we'll see what's the problem there. That car, trust me, I wanna burn it, serious. I will try one more time, maybe last time, we'll see. I just finished with the car, tried to start it, and it's really bad. I mean, it's probably a bit worse than before. Let me show you. Let's start it, or let's try to start it. Nothing. And yeah, I was starting like a minute ago, but no, I'm giving up. That car going for scrap, and that's it. I spent like crazy money on it, and it's shit, like proper shit. So yeah, I'll carry on with the BMW and we'll try to find another project. See you later. Hello guys, so just 24 hours after I bought the BMW, which was in like terrible condition, we already driving the car. I replaced the wing, the front bumper, and obviously the suspension, the part which I show you, all that took me like 2 hours, to be honest. And the total price of the car up to this moment, it's £870. So I spent £600 for the whole car to get to my home. So 250 for the car, 200 for the delivery, and can you imagine £150 fee from Copart? So yeah, when you buy a £250 car with the delivery, the price is £600. The other thing, I bought the fender with the front bumper and parts for the suspension for £200. So the total price is £800. I just mentioned £870 just because the car was in terrible condition, and to fully valid the car cost me 70 quid. The guys make a unbelievable job. You can see the interior. Yeah, it's just amazing. It was terrible inside, and on the moment it's like brand new car, and the driving is like amazing, just amazing. So altogether, you know, for £800 you can buy a car which usually costs around 1500. If you have the ability to fix it for your own. If I'm selling that car, obviously the price will be around 1200 because of the category on the car. But there is one more thing which I didn't mention: the number plate. The number plate is CSK 954, which is it's quite expensive. Usually the price starts from 300 up to £1,000 for that kind of number plate. And I'm not really sure, do I need to sell it separate or not? So if you have any advice, just let me know, and you know, we can try to do that. Also, if some of you know a bit more about that number plates, how I can sell it separate, if that's possible at all or no. I never own a car with private number plates, and I never sell one of those. So you know, if you know a bit more about that, will be really nice. So that's all together. We keep working on the Corsa now. That was just the worst car in my life, to be honest. I replaced half of the car and it's still not working. So yeah, let's see how it's going there. That was all from the BMW. If I sell it, I'll let you know exactly what's the profit of the car. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Peace out.